Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can screen record on this phone. So anyway, to get started we'll need to actually add the toggle to our toggles right over here. Actually, never mind, I think it's this one, right? Yep. So it's actually added by default in here, looks like. Before it wasn't. Now if you don't see it, maybe someone added before, then to add it, or maybe just remove it if you don't want to have it visible there, you would navigate into your settings, and then we would go into Control Center, and in here you'll find the toggles that are added and also the ones that aren't, so you can add them in here. So from there, just tap on it and we'll start a countdown. Once you're done, you can just click on the button to stop it. For some stupid reason it removes wallpaper. The more you know. So anyway, once it saves it, stops recording, you can find it in your Photos application. I can see there we have a recent and it's visible right over here. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.